In this video, we're going to talk about installing themes in WordPress. So to do this, first go to your dashboard, of course, then go to Appearance, and then from there click on Themes. Now, to browse for themes that are on the WordPress.org site, click on the WordPress.org Themes tab or link. It'll take you to a page where you can see the featured themes, popular themes, latest, and of course you can search for more. Let's go ahead and try this. So when you mouse over the themes, you'll see that there's an install and preview button. So instead of just immediately installing it and then maybe you don't like it later and you want to remove it, you do have the option to click on preview first so that at least you can decide whether or not to get the theme. Let's click on preview. Here you go. This is how your site will look when you use this theme. Now, if you want to install this theme, go ahead and click on install. Let's go ahead and install it now. Now, once you're done installing the theme, you'll have this page here. You can preview the theme. You can go ahead and activate it, or if you choose to activate it at a later time, you can just go to the Return to Theme Installer. Let's go ahead and activate it now. So your theme is now active. So go ahead and take a look at the site. Now your site looks like this. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now there is one more way on how to install themes on your WordPress site. For example, if you happen to download one of the themes from the WordPress.org site and it's now sitting on your computer, you want to install that, there's an option for that. So go ahead, click on New on the Themes page, click on Add New. It'll take you to the screen. Click on Choose File. Browse to the location of the theme that you've downloaded from the internet. For this demonstration, I've downloaded this theme, Reception. So click on it, click on Open or double click on it. Then click on Install Now. Just like before, you'll be taken to a page wherein it offers you to click on Live Preview, Activate, or Return to Themes page. Let's go ahead and activate this theme. There you go, the new theme has been activated. Let's go ahead and preview the site. And there you have it. As you can see, it's now using the theme that we have just uploaded, not the theme that we chose from WordPress.org earlier. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.